Hello, my name is Bailey Lampy. I'm here at Edwin O's house at 6000 Crayfield Drive in Raleigh. We're going to be doing a repair video today. Here's the damaged shingle. In order to take the shingle out, we're going to need to take the nails of the surrounding shingles. In this case, there are staples that are holding down this roof. So we're going to be taking the staples out and replacing them with nails. I'm going to set you guys up right here so you guys can see exactly what I am seeing. And we are going to begin the repair attempt. So here are the shingles here. All of these shingles on this roof are unsealed. None of them are sealed down. So there's no unsealing that needs to be happening. In order to get this shingle out, we got to take the staples out. That's exactly what we're going to be doing. This shingle should be sliding right out. So we have the damaged shingle out. We're going to be inserting a new shingle in, and we're going to be putting nails in these shingles. Alright, we're going to begin by putting nails in to the shingle to secure it back down. All right, we got one nail in and some more to go. Trying to use this roof snake to the best of my ability. This thing doesn't work as well as others, but all right, we have 2 nails in. All right. These nails are not going in the way we would absolutely like, but we are making do. All right, 2 more nails to go. That's new. All right, all the nails are now in. Shingle has now been replaced. As you can see, it's snug in there. What we are going to do is we're going to wipe across some of these shingles. We're going to do a few tests of these shingles to make sure that they're okay. So some of this shingle right here was already previously damaged. As you can see in some of these shingles, the granules are missing now, and there's a crease line towards the top. Some of these shingles are fine, as in this one as an example. You can see the flex towards the side right here. This is what a standard shingle is supposed to look like with the flex. You can see how this one has a small bend towards this top left corner. Not only are some of these shingles damaged from this repair attempt, but some of the matting has transferred to the opposite side, which is just gonna make this shingle not as strong when it seals down. So when the wind does come back and get heavy, these shingles are gonna lift up because they're not fully sealed down like they were before. My determination from this repair attempt is that it went okay. Some of these shingles, more shingles got damaged in the process, not all in the process, but this roof is very old and is brittle. And if we're replacing 65 shingles across this roof, we are almost guaranteeing that more damage will come. Thank you so much and have a great rest of your day.